Hello students, welcome back in a new session. Today in this section, we will discuss OR bitwise operators. These operators perform the OR bit logical operators on bits. So OR bitwise operator performs OR logical operations on bits. So let's take an example. Here we have two values 10 or 2. This is OR bitwise operator. So what will be the resultant value of this? The resultant value of this is 30. How this 30 will come? We will have some step-by-step procedure. First, we convert these decimal numbers 10 or 20 into the binary numbers. Then, after conversion, the numbers we add the binary digits using the OR logical operations. Then, after we find the resultant value in the form of binary digits. Then we calculate and convert these binary numbers into the decimal point. Then after we got the resultant value, so let's see how it will happen. So step 1, convert decimal number 10 and 20 into binary digits. These are the binary values of 10 and 20. Now in step 2, we add these two binary digits using the OR logical operation. Add both the binary digits with OR bitwise operator. So this is the process. Here we have the binary digits of 10. This is OR operator, and this is the binary digit value of 20. So when we OR make a operation of ORing these two values, then we will find the resultant value of this. So in ORing, we will calculate just if there may be any one in both the values, then the one will be resultant value. Okay, so one will come here, 101, then 1 will be the output and 1 will be the output, and here we have 0 and remaining 0 will be not counted. So this is the resultant value. Now how we will calculate the decimal value of this binary digit? So we have step 3. So step 3, convert the binary value into decimal value. So here we have the procedure in which we multiply each digit with the 2 to the power. So first digit will be 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus second digits and 2 to the power 1, third digits into 2 to the power 2, fourth digit 1 into 2 to the power 3, and fifth digit 1 into 2 to the power 4. Then after we calculate this. So when we calculate this, so the answer will be 0 into 2 to the power 0 will be 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1 equals to 2, 1 into 2 to the power 2 equals to 4, 1 into 2 to the power 3 equals to 8 and 1 into 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. Now we will simply calculate this and we got the answer 30. So now let's take an example. So here we use decimal values with OR bit operators. If we check the binary value of decimal numbers, then we will find the number 1010 for 10 and 10110 is for 20. We already taken these numbers, and after that we apply the OR operator, adding these binary digits, and after the resultant binary value we again convert into the decimal value. Then after we add all these digits and find the resultant value. So these are simple steps through which we can easily identify the internal working of OR Bitwise operator. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.